Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're always on the hunt for ways to save money while browsing the web, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the Rakuten extension to your Chrome browser. Rakuten is a fantastic tool that lets you earn cash back on your favorite online purchases, and it's super easy to set up. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the Chrome website and download it quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're all set, open up your Chrome browser. Next, you'll want to visit the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chrome://extensions into your address bar or simply searching for Chrome Web Store in your browser. This is where all the awesome extensions live, including Rakuten. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Chrome Web Store page, type in Rakuten and hit enter. Look for the official Rakuten extension. It's usually the one with the most downloads and a big shopping cart icon. Once you find it, click on it to open the extensions page. On the extension page, you'll see a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the addition. Just click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will install it in a few seconds. It's that quick. After it's installed, you'll notice a new icon in your Chrome toolbar, probably in the top right corner. Click on it to sign in or set up your Rakuten account if you haven't already. That's it. You're now ready to start earning cash back on eligible sites. One quick tip. Make sure to check Rakuten's website for the latest deals and ensure the extension is activated on supported stores. If you run into any issues, Rakuten's support team is helpful, or you can always double-check in your Chrome extensions menu. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping and saving!